Inspirational Bible verse. Proverbs 3 verse 3. Let not steadfast love and faithfulness forsake you. Bind them around your neck, write them on the tables of your heart. Thought for the day. Love and faithfulness are not just values we admire, they are virtues to be carried within us daily. When we let God's love shape our hearts and His truth guide our steps, we become living reflections of His character to the world. Prayer. Father, help me to never let go of your love and faithfulness. Teach me to keep them close, written deep within my heart, so that my words and actions reflect your goodness. May my life be a testimony of steadfast love and unshakable faith in you. Amen.